video for chapter 1.3. All the dimensions are in inches. What I have here is a 4.5 inch line on the bottom and a 2.5 inch line up, and this across the top is going to be 0.75, and going up here is 0.75. So you're going to create this L shape. Okay. The depth is 3 inches, so you're going to draw a 3-inch line, and you can just copy that line 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get those 4 lines, and 3/4 inch line here, and make these 2 lines meet, go up till you get this shape. Okay, what I did, you can offset this line over 2 inches to here, and you can offset this line down 1 inch and then draw that rectangle. And what you're going to do is just trim this off, and then you'll end up with another line here. You can kind of see how we'll trim those corners off, and we'll end up with a shape like this. Okay, and same deal, you're going to go for your ellipse, go here to axis end, come down here, and you'll have iso circle. But what I would do is offset this line over 1.5, and then offset this line up 2.67 to get your center mark. And then you can go to your ellipse, axis end, click the center, go to iso circle, and the diameter is 0.75. So you're going to use 0.75 diameter or 0.375 radius to get it, and just drop your center marks in there. Okay, and depending on if you like, you could put these hidden lines, or you could leave those off to make it a bit clearer. We could do something like this. And again, you can leave them on there if you like. And all I'm doing is selecting and delete. I'm going to click that line, grab that grip, bring it up a bit, hit escape. Okay. And again, it's left on here, so it's up to you whether you want to put it. And there's a bunch of hidden lines that we took off here just for clarity. And you have this cutout here, and that's pretty simple. You can do that. It's a 2-inch opening, 1.5 inch deep. So just draw that in, and that's the basic shape with the dimensions for chapter 1.3. And again, I'm always telling you, just refer back to one of the first videos in EGT 115 to learn how to orientate your dimensions properly.